Hi everyone, it's Brian from iGroup Technologies, and we wanted to discuss the interactive menu on the Viper Mini. When you receive your Viper Mini, you do not need to mess around at all with the menu on the Viper Mini. Everything is preset for you so that it will work properly. All you need to do is adjust the speed up and down by pressing the up and down buttons. This will allow you a range from a setting of 20, which will be the slowest speed and apply the most amount of pretreatment, or 100, which will be the fastest speed and apply the least amount of pretreatment for the height setting. Now, if you accidentally do mess around with the menu button and change some of the parameters, we will go over those settings right now. If you press the menu button, and you will see a 1 point number, 1 point something. This should be set to 1.010. Pressing the menu button again will take you to the second setting, and that also should be 0.010. The third setting should be set to 0.020. This is the slowest setting that the Viper Mini can run at when you normally move it up and down on the speed controller. Pressing the menu button again is the fourth setting. This is the maximum speed that the Viper Mini can run. That should be set to 100. And pressing the menu button a fifth time will bring up 5 point something, and that should be set to 0.001. The 1 being an increment when you're adjusting the speed setting up and down from the main menu. That will allow you to increase or decrease the speed of the Viper Mini in increments of 1. When you're done, just press the run/stop button, and that will take you back into the main menu of the machine that will allow you to adjust the speed up and down. So for those of you wondering about the Viper Mini and the menu settings on it, those are the default settings. You should never need to adjust those in using the Viper Mini, as they come set from the factory for these settings. We hope that you enjoyed this video and find that the Viper Mini is a great addition to your direct-to-garment printing business and makes the job of pre-treating that much easier.